Hello again. So this is Muhammed Aziz with a new session today. Today our session is about the Go select feature, which is a very strong feature of Go language. The select feature allows a Go routine to actually wait on multiple communications. So select have different kind of cases which you basically implement, like we have switch cases in different elements. So once that case is getting true, it executes that case. Moreover, the Go runtime is basically executing a random case if multiple cases are getting true or ready to basically run. So that behavior is completely random. So let's check how we can use the get go select in action and what are the benefits we can get with an example. So let's do it. Alright, so we have this sample program. What I will do, I will create multiple channels first, so we can have some kind of a communication. Channels will be, I can say var c1 and I make that chan and string, and let me create one more c2 make chan string. So we have created these two. Okay, now I will just create two Go routines, which will be again anonymous function for me. What these will do, it will pass two messages to our channels, which will be, you can say message 1 500 milliseconds, which will pass in every 500 milliseconds, and I will say time dot sleep here and just wait like time dot milliseconds multiplied by 500. Alright, and I want this function to go to keep sending us the messages with a for loop which will never end unless I just make it ended. And again I will just copy it again, make another Go routine which is going to send us a message in channel 2, but this time it is going to send like message 2 in 2 seconds. Yeah. Alright, so here I will just do it second and 2. Okay, so this is these are our two channels and these are our two routines. In the main function I will use again loop, which will not end it, infinite loop, and just print it out. So it will be c1, print whatever you're receiving from channel 1, and then print whatever you are receiving from channel 2. Now let's run this. So you are saying that we are start receiving messages, but just check the behavior of the messages. So first we are receiving message 1 in 500 seconds, then there is no message for next 1.5 seconds, then we receive message 2. Means what is happening, so this Go routine needs to wait 1.5 seconds because it is blocking on this Go routine to send us back the message from here. Means this Go routine is a bit faster than the second one, but we have to wait because second Go routine is working and blocking the messages for the first one. So now this is the problem. So how we can solve this problem? We can solve this problem by using select, which is a very strong feature of Go. So I'm going to cancel this from here. So what I can do in select statement helps you to combine the communication of all the routines. So this is gonna be help us in these kind of scenarios. Okay, so here in this one, the for loop, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a select statement. Syntax is very easy, so we can have multiple cases in here. The first case I will say message 1, and it will be like c1 and corner here. From here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to print this message, and then case message 2, I will say c2 and let's print this message. So we don't need this anymore. So here message 1, and here I'm going to do message 2. So what is happening here, in case 1, this select is checking, just keep printing the messages once you are receiving from channel 1, and in this case you don't need to wait for this to actually complete and then come back here. So as soon as it will keep receiving messages from this channel, it doesn't need to wait for other routines or for other channels. It will just go and print this for us. So now let's run and see how it will work for us. Now you see we are receiving the messages from message 1, which is printing like 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and 2 seconds are done and the second message is coming. So this is the feature for select statements that you can use to combine the communication and keep receiving the communication from different channels without waiting on other ones. So in that case, if I have a same channel which is receiving messages on the same time, or so in that way what select is going to do, the runtime of the Go basically orders a Go with a random selection of the messages which they are receiving. So this is a very small example to actually understand a very good feature of this select. It's heavily used in development of the software, but this small example will help you to understand this logic quite easily. I hope you like this session. My program is still running and running. I will see you in next Go session lesson. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.